Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. In today's video, I am finally cleaning out my closet. I've been putting this off for several weeks now. I just have not felt like deep cleaning that area. My closet's pretty small and it holds most of my clothes. I also use it as a storage space because I don't have a storage closet. I have like my vacuum in there, my Swiffer, my two-step, like all kinds of stuff really. And I decided that today's the day, and of course I'm gonna bring you guys along. I'm gonna film it. Hopefully at the end of this, I'll feel much better about that space. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm really about to expose myself. So here's my closet. This first side has all of my sweaters and my jackets. And then down here, I bought this little storage bin to help store more clothes. So I have like all of my bras and underwears, sleep tops, sleep bottoms. I've got just a bunch of random shit on top. My soccer ball, my ring light, this yoga mat. And then up at the top, I also have a little bit more storage. Those storage bins, I have no idea what's in them. I'll have to look through that, just clear all that out. And then the other side is where I mostly hang all of my clothes. I like to color coordinate it as well. And then down here, I have my hamper. So this is all dirty laundry. But see, like I end up storing a bunch of stuff here. The Swiffer, the two-step, my weights, potting soil for my plants. And then up at the top, I have a little bit more storage. I have to really figure that out because then what happens is I end up piling stuff here, as you could tell. And I really need to clear this space out as well. That's my closet situation, and that's what we're gonna do today.
Later.
Alright guys, I think we're done. Here's a little progress update for you all. So there's a lot less sweaters in here because like I said, I'm gonna get rid of some. And this I can finally see the top of. Up there, I still kept the toilet paper there because I don't have anywhere else to store it. These boxes I need for Poshmark, so anytime I sell anything, like these are the ones that I use. Other side, my clothes, organized my backpacks right there. And the bottom looks pretty good. This we will talk about later. Let's not look at that. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of video, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.